Changing the email link to Spotify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Edit your email. In the account settings, look for the profile section. Here, you will find the option to edit your email address. Click on Edit next to your current email. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, scroll down and click on the Save Profile button to confirm the changes. You may need to verify the new email address through a confirmation email sent by Spotify. Once you have completed these steps, your Spotify account will be linked to your new email. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Spotify's help section for further assistance.